generic business gap analysis, but focus on the channel of SEO. So
Right.
we bring it back to the 3 legs of SEO. We've got content, we've got technical, we've got off-page brand links, whatever you want to call that. And what I like to do is I like to look at these 3 sections separately and kind of understand whether the website that I'm trying to rank is lacking in technical, or is lacking in content, or is lacking in brand work, right? Because it doesn't matter. It's not going to move the needle for me if I'm already the best at technical to keep improving my technical. If I have the best content across all of the SERPs for my vertical, it doesn't make sense for me to keep working on content. Or if I'm the one with the most links, I don't need to keep working on links.
Right.
Probably need to do some maintenance work, but not a full-on campaign all the time.
Brilliant. And that comes back to what Gary Ilias was saying a couple of years ago.